called reflection in you. Tell me you feel it too. My reflection in you. It's settled deep in my stomach, but there's a certainty for me and you. Its presence is calm, a true reflection of how I feel when I'm with you. You know, I don't think it's a coincidence that you're an Aquarius and I am a Leo. Apparent sister signs, one a true reflection and completion of the other. And if you don't believe in astrology, then maybe it is a coincidence that you have this ability to settle me. Consider my anxiety a raging fire and your presence a soft storm with just enough rain to contain the flames. And when your energy meets mine, I can feel your tidal wave, and maybe your raging ocean matches my burning flames. And with that, I hope I can evaporate your pain the same way you wash away my shame. I've always felt like I was too much, like I felt too much and thought too much, and yet somehow you make me feel contained, tamed. Water and fire are both such strong forces on their own. It's no wonder we need each other to calm our storms. So do you feel it too? I really hope that you do. I have a strong sense of your energy. Just please tell me that it's true. I've spent so long ignoring my truth. I'm afraid to acknowledge how I feel, but here I am saying, fuck the fears, man. I feel you. Like you are embedded in my soul, entrenched in my DNA. Your fibers are wrapped up into mine in a way that calls me back to you every single time. It's like we never spent time apart. And here I was denying that you ever had my heart. You are my soul's reflection. And yes, I know our relationship is relatively new, so it may not make sense now, but I hope we will grow for that statement to stand true. Just please tell me that you feel it too. God, I am so scared to say all of this to you. So tell me that you are too. Tell me I'm not wrong for believing that you are me and I am you.